On top inside Edo today, we go remember say Governor Godwin Obaseki don already talk am say im go provide 200,000 jobs for Edo youths. And na dis one na im don take throway body on top job creation for Edo State, and im dey do dis one through Edo State Skills Development Agency, Edo Jobs. And na dis one na make wey dem don do collabo with Deutsche Gesellschaft Skills Development for Youth Empowerment in Nigeria, SKY. And dis program don already start to dey do training for 100 youths for computer-aided design, CAD. Dis CAD training dey chook eye put inside architecture, mechanical and electrical engineering, interior design and project management. Chief Executive Officer of Riverbank Technologies and Engineering Services Limited, Ayola Jola-Yemi, tok say dis training for youths go help solve the wahala of unemployment for Edo State. He tok say by the time the training finish, the youths wey throway body put for dis training go get opportunity to take dey self-employed, and dem go fit still employ other people, and say dis kind thing dey boost wealth creation well well. Jola-Yemi say dis one na the first phase of the training, and e go last for 1 month, and the 100 youths wey put body go get training on top architectural CAD, mechanical CAD, electrical CAD, interior design and project management. He come advise the youths say make dem chook eye for wetin dem dey teach dem, so that dem go fit be employers of labour when time reach, and say once the training finish, dem go do exam for the youths wey 30% go be theory and 70% go be practical. Jola-Yemi come thank Governor Godwin Obaseki, GIZ and Edo Jobs wey dem take give dis kind opportunity to dis youths make dem take learn dis ogbonge skill. One of the Edo Jobs consultants, Olaniyi Omole, come talk am say the training go well, and e go connect the youths give big companies so that dem go fit dey do work for the companies dem. Him talk say Edo Jobs not only dey throway body put on top the training, but they still dey connect the youths dem. They meet big companies wey be say dem go fit give employment to the youths once the training complete. One of the trainees wey her name be Irabod Naomi Princess, na graduate of Madonna University for Okija. She enrolled for the electrical CAD program, and she come dey thank state government for this ogbonge opportunity. She come talk say belle sweet am too, as she take be one of the youths wey dey benefit for this SKY program. Na so we see am reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Edo State government don already dey put plans for ground to make sure say 200,000 jobs dey ground gidigba for Edo youths. Make una no forget say na T Live Media na im dey bring this ogbonge update dey come give una.